Hello everyone, happy Easter. Today we are making a chicken barbecue sauce using everyday ingredients. So first of all, if you know about these little gems here, these are called tamarind. So we've peeled them and made a puree, which is this here. We have tamarind sauce. You can use any mustard that you have in your fridge or at home. We're using honey garlic, or just honey mustard, sorry. And we have ketchup. In here we have a little bit of barbecue sauce. So Chef Mama is going to do the mixing here while I video. And if you've never tasted these are actually a fruit. If you peel off the hard shell, which I'll show in another video in the future, any comments, leave them below. And I'll show you how you can eat them, but it's just a regular fruit, and all you do is crack the shell. You peel off the little, I guess the wooden little stemmy part, and then you can actually eat the flesh, and it actually has these hard seeds in the center, but those you don't eat. So it's quite an easy recipe. There's really no measurement to this. You can actually add as much or as little according to how you would like your barbecue sauce to taste. And if you've watched any of the previous videos, Chef Mama doesn't measure anything, because back in Trinidad, they are just chefs in their own right, and they just create these amazing concoctions from whatever they have at home. So this is all nicely mixed. We're going to be adding a little bit of seasoning. So we have some garlic powder. You can add minced garlic if you wish as well, if you like the fresh. We also have a mixture of red pepper, just a mixed seasoning. We don't need any salt because all of these items have enough salt, and the sweetness and the sourness from the ketchup and the tamarind sauce will actually add a very nice flavor. So your barbecue sauce is done.